Hello again, Fragrance fam, and welcome to anyone new to the AFI Project Lab. One of my favorite things about the colder months is returning to the sweet smell of home after spending all day in the chilly air. The scent we're showcasing is one of our best-selling hits, our comparable version of Brown Sugar and Fig by Bath & Body Works. With sugary, gourmand fragrances landing a spot on everyone's holiday wish list this year, this project is quick enough to create tons of gift sets for anyone who loves sweet scents. So our house bases make everything super easy, so stay tuned to learn how to use them. I'll be using our air freshener and linen spray bases to make this gift set. They come pre-mixed with all of the ingredients you need to make scenting your space a breeze. Let's start with the air freshener. Our base can accommodate a large fragrance load, but 15% is all you really need. 6.8 ounces of base and 1.2 ounces of our version of Bath & Body Works Brown Sugar and Fig fragrance oil will fill an 8-ounce spray bottle. Using our spray bases is as simple as measuring, mixing, and pouring. Use a lab or kitchen scale to weigh out the air freshener base, followed by the fragrance oil. You can do this all in one mixing container, so stir it thoroughly so the fragrance blends uniformly into the base, and use the funnel to help you fill the spray bottle without any spills. Screw the nozzle on and move on to the linen spray. Linen sprays are less concentrated than air fresheners. A little bit of fragrance goes a long way when it comes to pillowcases and sheets. We recommend using a usage rate of 5 to 10% in our linen spray base. Combine 1.9 ounces of linen spray base with 0.1 ounces of our version of Brown Sugar and Fig by Bath & Body Works in another mixing beaker. Give it a stir and pour it in a 2-ounce spray bottle. With both the air freshener and linen spray bottled up, your room and linens will smell warm and cozy all season long. Our bases are specially formulated to help fragrances smell stronger or longer with no separation or oily residue. If you want to experience even more of our version of Bath & Body Works Brown Sugar and Fig, try it out in a candle using one of the many tutorials we have on our channel. Feel free to leave us any questions that you have in the comment section down below, or reach out to us on our socials to let us know what you'd like to see us make next in the Project Lab. I'm Maddie with Aromatic Fragrances International, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!